Everyone, in today's video, I will guide you through how to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. Just enter the link to go directly to the Adobe Creative Cloud sign up page. From there, you can easily create a free Adobe account or login if you have already one. No hidden costs, no surprises, just a simple registration process. Once you have signed up, the next step is to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app gives you the access to all Adobe softwares including InDesign. The download process is quick and simple. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompt to complete the installation. Before moving forward, please make sure your device meets Adobe InDesign system requirements. After installation, open the Creative Cloud app and sign in using the email you used to register. You will see a list of available Adobe applications. Scroll through the list until you find InDesign. Then click the Install button. In just few minutes, InDesign will be ready to use on your computer. When choosing a plan, you have a couple of options. If you select the business plan, you will get a 14-day free trial, which is perfect for professionals who need access to advanced tools and support. If you go with the individual plan, you will get a 7-day trial, which is ideal for personal use and great way to explore InDesign core features. That's it. Thank you for watching and happy designing. See you in the next video.